That's crazy. Okay, so Brian just told me something really interesting, Angel. This has only been on air one time, and over 500 orders were placed.
Wow.
We're down to limited quantities already. Like, this just was new this week. One order this year. $18.33. That's all you're paying on Easy Pay today. If you want to pay it outright, $55. A 677838, double extra small to 5X. And don't you worry, I will try this on for you guys at home since we don't have a model here on QVC2. What you're seeing right here is turquoise, shrimp, and then dark navy, 26.5 to 32.5 inches. Wow, machine wash, tumble dry. That's easy care.
Yes.
By the way, the tops before, did you say they're machine wash, tumble dry? I was changing.
I didn't say that.
Okay.
My guess is that they are, but again, I would turn them inside out, wash on gentle, and I personally would lay them flat to dry. That's
Perfect.
me. But definitely follow the care instructions.
Wonderful. So let's talk about this top. I'm going to throw this on so we
Okay.
can see how it looks in studio.
I love on the model, you're seeing that beautiful drape. This is done in 100% polyester. I love our butterfly top. And this butterfly top has a double meaning because not only is it shaped like a butterfly, so this is not a poncho. This is stitched from under the arm down to the end of the top. You can see Tony wearing this, doing her little diva twirl there so beautifully in that turquoise. This is 100% polyester. Easy care, easy wear. It rolls into nothing if you're traveling and need a versatile top that you can take with you, pack in your purse, pack in your carry-on, right? But what is fun here is there's no sparkle. We're letting the print stand all on its own. And you're seeing butterflies and hearts. When Melissa comes back, we'll give you a little close-up, right? But all done in a cross-stitch print. So, and we're giving you that beautiful detail on the sleeves, that border print done in the heart. So whether you love butterflies, whether you love hearts, or whether you love both, this is really a fabulous top to add to your wardrobe. That shrimp that you're seeing on the model on the screen, I like to call shrimp a pinky coral. So it does have coral tones to it, but there's a little hint of a pink undertone in it. And the colors are great too because they're versatile, whether it's the coral, whether it's the turquoise, or whether it's the dark navy. Is it dark navy or light navy?
So it's dark navy.
Okay, or the dark navy. Just gives you options. And really, I love tops like this, Melissa, when we go on vacation because it's drapey, it's easy. I can roll it into nothing, stick it in my bag, and then pull it out and get ready and go to dinner. Because when we're on vacation, I don't want to iron or steam anything. I just want something that I can throw on and go.
Yeah. Amazing. By the way, I gave thumbs up because my IFB technical difficulties.
Oh no.
But also thumbs up
no.
to you for the great
Thank you.
information. But, you know, I do agree. Like, I love an easy top, Angel, that looks really good because let's put it this way. When I'm on vacation, I don't want to have to worry about what I'm wearing. Like, I want to worry about nothing, including how much I'm eating. Like, that is my moment to shine at the buffet. So, like, I do not want to have to worry about that. And also worrying about packing. You said it best. This is so lightweight. If you got all three colors, first of all, they're all so different. Like, the butterflies are all different colors.
Good, you're doing it too.
It feels like a different top, yeah. And then look at how small.
We are like the same brain. We are the same brain,
Same
my
brain.
friend.
Same brain. Look at that.
I mean, it's fabulous. And then, you know, like when you get it home out of the package, you're probably going to want to wash it, right? Lay it flat to dry, whatever it says on the care instructions. You know, I steamed out a couple of wrinkles out of it because I didn't throw it in the wash when I'm using it for on air. You know, I just hang it. But then once you wash it and get those initial wrinkles out from it being folded and you know, shipped and everything, you should be good to go. Like, you shouldn't have to worry about this.
Great.
And, you know, I'm looking at this on you, Melissa, and I'm thinking, you know, you could belt this if you wanted. You could wear this as a bathing suit cover up.
Love.
If you wanted. There's just so many uses to this. And when we do travel, you know, for me, I really like to travel light anymore because I don't want to schlep my bags. And you want pieces that are versatile. And this is one of those pieces. You could layer this over a long sleeve shirt or a turtleneck if
Ooh.
it's cold where you are and you just love it so much you have to wear it right now.
Ooh, I love that. You know what else I was thinking, Angel? Like if you have a pin, you can do
Ooh.
like a little zhuzh right here
Mm-hmm.
and put a brooch here. Would be really cute. Like just to
Love
change
it.
it up a little bit. I mean, this is
Yes.
a really fun top. It's flowy, it's comfortable. By the way, my jeans that are coming up, the Dream jeans and this
Yes.
top, under $50 to get this outfit home. This is just easy. Like this is easy dressing. It's
Absolutely.
elegant. It reminds me of something you would find in those little boutiques. Like when you go on vacation, you know, we've talked about these boutiques, Angel. You're a
Yes.
traveler like me where it's like,
Yes.
oh, I'm just going to look around. And then you look at the price tag and you're like, my husband's calling me. I'll be right back. And then you never go back.
Nope.
Because how can I
They
tell
never
them
have
I'm not
plus
spending
sizes anyway.
$400 on a top? How do I break their hearts? So,
Melissa, in those stores, they don't have plus sizes anyway.
yep.
So this is why I love shopping at QVC, and I shop, you know, Quacker Factory, and I shop lots of other things because I know my size, and it comes right to my door. I don't have to fight for a parking spot. We went to a restaurant last night. We went to a restaurant last night for dinner, and we were leaving, and there were 10 cars waiting for our spot.
That
So,
tracks.
you know, you don't have to worry about that. This comes right to your door.
Easy, easy. And like you said, great inclusive sizing here, double extra small to 5X. You have that shrimp that I'm wearing and that you're seeing on your screen, turquoise and dark navy. Over 500 orders were placed the first day this was on air. This is only the second time. So smart shopping right here. Get yourself ready for those warmer days. Or like Angel said, pair it up with your favorite turtleneck. That would be amazing. A677838. Go to